Everyone has a story, and every story comes with a dream.
品上高实业也有个梦想，我们致力于成为全球领先的平板保护套优质供应商。
Because of this dream, PSG Industry Company has been empowered to produce high-quality products ever since 2014. With this goal in mind, a group of ambitious entrepreneurs started their dream-seeking journey in Dongguan City, bringing new ideas into this industry. We have never stopped the effort to understand human needs. Our original intention has not changed in the past 10 years. We are constantly innovating, producing the newest design that keeps up with the trend. An integrated label case production system of PSG has been gradually formed, providing better products and user experience all over the world. PSG Industry Company is located in Fenggang Town, Dongguan City, covering an area of 50,000 square meters. It has a complete set of standardized and intelligent production lines for tablet cases. Focusing on the purpose of making high-quality products with high standards and strict requirements, we have made breakthroughs and innovations while keeping long-term business relationships and developing together with international first-class sellers. Now, we have become their close allies and strategic partners. PSG Industry Company has a set of strict quality inspection procedures, equipped with huge products storage warehouse. It has established long-term partnerships with many well-known companies and brands. Over the past 10 years, PSG has been recruiting talents and constantly improved our management system. We have built multicultural teams, making PSG stand out within the fierce global market competition. Branches have been established in Anhui, Shenzhen, Shanghai, and other areas. After a decade of growth, PSG has a complete industrial chain, suitable for various models of Apple, Huawei, Xiaomi, Samsung tablet case, as well as Amazon ebook cases. Relying on the excellent quality and reputation of our products, we are constantly growing. It has gained a lot of appreciation from numerous customers. PSG is admitted to the concept of today's quality, tomorrow's market. We are committed to becoming the world's leading supplier of tablet cases.